Hey guys, I'm just popping in to share with you some fall decor that I've done. I didn't do a whole lot, but I did decorate the shelves again. I kind of took out the gray blue toned items that were in there and put in some warm colors like amber glass and a bunch of pumpkins. So I hope you enjoy that. And then did a little scene of pumpkins under the TV. So I hope you enjoy seeing what I did.
Dun, 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 This.
Okay, I'm getting some wonderful help here. Are you decorating for me? Show me what you did. Show me what you did. You put all the pumpkins on the shelf. Good job. It's beautiful. Want me to help you open that? Thanks for helping, buddy. It looks really good. I love it.
Mama.
Lined up all the pumpkins. Buddy, that's so pretty. thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!